Money Matters, sponsored by Gulf Credit Union.
All right, right now, many of you are probably getting your forms together and thinking, yeah, maybe we're going to have to think tax time before long. And certainly if you plan to file in the coming weeks, you'll want to hear this next story. 12 News reporter Cladra Rhodes talked with an accountant in Orange to get the lowdown on what's different this year.
That's right, Jordan. With new tax deductions and updated filing procedures this season, accountant Jackie Mayfield is warning people to be careful if they choose to file their taxes themselves.
You need a good tax preparer because taxes is not just about math. It's about rules and applying the rules that's beneficial to you.
It's time to file your taxes, and although there are ways to file online, tax accountant Jackie Mayfield says people should think twice.
The average person who do it themselves over time can lose tens of thousands of dollars in taxes that they would have been able to keep in their pocket by not knowing how to apply the rules properly for them.
Mayfield is one of the founders of ComproTax. He says this is a year that many Southeast Texans can see some major savings thanks to storm damage. If you have damage from presidentially declared disasters, you can write off your expenses.
You can deduct casualty losses in addition to your standard deduction as well, and also inclusive on your itemized deductions.
For teachers, there's an educator expense deduction for out-of-pocket classroom-related expenses like supplies.
It used to be $250. Now, for this year and next year, it's $300.
Mayfield says the standard deduction amounts increase every year, but if you just bought a home,
you can deduct mortgage interest as an itemized deduction,
or recently had a child, there's a $2,000 tax credit and you could qualify for additional credits.
If you're married filing jointly, if your income is less than $66,000, you may qualify for an earned income tax credit as well.
The deadline to file federal and state taxes is April 15th, but Jackie says waiting until the last minute is not always the best option and could ultimately cost you time and money. In studio, Cladra Rhodes, 12 News.
Thank you, Cladra. And a footnote on this, if you get a refund, the IRS has new tools to help you track that refund. There's an app and an even automated service that you can call.